we are doing a little quickie shop video. This is the steam engine I just brought back from Wisconsin. I bought this on the auction up there at Baraboo, and it's pretty nice. It was stuck, froze up when I got it, but there was a lot of oil on it, so I cleaned it up and got it free, and it runs quite well. Got a 3/4 inch Gardner on it, and boy, that thing works nice. It's a nice running engine. And then there's the other one, that New York Safety steam power engine that I put a governor on. I got a Pickering governor on that. In the background you see some pictures. That's my, I call that my wall of shame, where those people have been caught or have had problems on my property. There's my little Chauvin lathe. There's one of my 74-inch Harley bobber I built. Just give you a quickie shop tour. My cannonball. There's a little whistle. There's a real cannonball, and the big one, and the little one just probably from a ball mill. And there's a cylinder head, or a cylinder from a Curtiss-Wright I got from Billy Lane. And there's the head engineer on the job. He's seems to approve of everything so far. And this is another little steam engine I got back. It runs good. I made a new crank bearing for the rod. And I brought back some vices. There's a 6-inch Wilton and a 5-inch Columbian that's pretty nice. And the Athol and a little Wilton Cadet. There's my polishing outfit, which I've got a video of. That one's for sale. And some of my junk, I'll just take you a quick walk through. This ain't going to be any kind of a real official video. There's my Smoky Eunuch best damn garage in town shirt. And anyway, we're busy in here. Stuff. There's a little Wilton strong arm, or something they call that. Power ram. That's kind of a neat little piece. Some other junk. My milling machine. There's Donald Trump up there. Alrighty then. Looks like I have a visitor down there at the other end. So there's one of my Wiltons. A little gas engine. Belt lacer. Alright. That's about it then. There's another Wilton over there. Okay, thanks for viewing.